be a good sports person.
Thank you so much, sir and ma'am.
Our school taught us sportsmanship, to play fair and to play by the rules, to make an effort,
To treat the opponents,
coaches
teammates,
and referees with respect.
because sportsmanship is the golden rule of sports.
And that is what Kavatara has taught our Kavatarites.
From 12th Commerce, we have Jasmeet Kaur. And I would request our chairperson, Mrs. Jyoti Chhaje, to please give away with a certificate. Okay. Mr. and Mrs. Kaur, please come up. You're invited, sir and ma'am. We are proud to have Jasmeet in Kavatara family, and your child has really done well. Sir and ma'am, आपसे विनम्र निवेदन है कि आप ऊपर आइए. Well done, Jasmeet. We are proud to have you. Our Kavatarais have done really well. I would request our chief guest, Mr. V. Ganesan, to please do the honors by giving away the certificate and the trophy. Well done, Jasmeet. And these are our brilliant Kavatarais. Keep clapping, motivate them. Keep doing well in your life, children.
Do you know, Yuvraj, what the favorite part of game is?
Yes, Astha, it is the opportunity to play. And that is what our Kavatarites got the golden opportunity to represent our school, our Nimar region, at state level.
And here we have all our state level students who got the opportunity to represent their region and their school at state level.
We have from 12th standard Master Aryan Khan, Master Dharmendra Barfa, and from 11th standard we have Aman Limanpure.
From 11th standard we have Shivan Khandekar, 10th we have Roshan Patidar, again 10th we have Kapil Adhikari, from 9th standard we have Rahul Pawar. These are the students of handball team. Students, come up quickly.
I would now request our guest Mr. V. Ganesan to please do the honor by giving away the certificates to our handball team.
Well done, children. ऐसे ही खेलते रहिए और ऐसे ही अपने और अपने रीजन का नाम रोशन करते रहिए.
In state level carom competition, we have Miss Kriti Jain from 11th standard, Master Abhay Satyam from 10th standard, Master Yaman Patidar from 9th standard. In volleyball,
well done, children. You have really made us proud. Keep playing and keep winning. Keep up the spirit, children. Well done, students. You have done really well. And we expect some more brilliant performance from you people in future. These are our handball and carom teams that have represented our school and our region at state level. Well done, children. Wonderfully played. A good quality of a sports person. That is what Kavatarais possess. Next we have our volleyball team that have represented our school and region at state level. And the team members are, from 11th standard we have
Aniket Jaiswal. From 12th standard, we have Manasvi Patel.
From 8th standard we have Riya Patidar. From again 8th standard we have Pushparaj, and from 10th standard we have Ujjwal Shukla. From 12th standard we have Aniket Jaiswal again, and from 12th standard again we have Manvendra Singh Chauhan. our team of volleyball. Well done children, come up quickly. Please keep clapping and motivate them. कृपया जोरदार तालियों के साथ इन बच्चों का उत्साहवर्धन करते रहिए. Parents, come on. Next we have karate students. Tanejat from 11th standard. From 9th standard we have Navdeep Chauhan, and from 7th standard we have Shweta Mukati. These karate students have represented our school at state level. Well done children. Wonderfully done children. Okay.
We have Miss Kriti
We have
ji.
Tanejat from 11th standard. From 9th standard we have Navdeep Chauhan, and from 7th standard we have Shweta Mukati. Well done children. Brilliant. Again we have from 8th standard Neeraj Patidar, who is a silver medal winner. Again from 9th standard we have Navdeep Chauhan, silver medal. From 8th standard we have Ishika. From 9th standard we have Ishika Patidar, gold medal. From 9th standard again we have Sanjana Mandaloi, gold medal. From 7th standard we have Gajen Patel, gold medal. Parents, keep clapping. Wonderful children. Well done. We are proud to have such brave children with us in Kavatara family. Next we have from 7th standard Shweta Mukati, bronze medal. From 5th standard we have Isha Srivastava from bronze medal. From 5th standard we have Pushpen Patel, again bronze medal. From 6th standard we have Akhilesh Jamre. From 6th standard again we have Nikhil Chauhan. From 6th standard again we have Ravi Verma. All are bronze medalists. Come up children quickly. Come up quickly children. Our Kho-Kho team of Kavatara under 17 boys were the runner-ups. So I would now request our guest to please do the honors by giving them their blessings. Well done children. Take the blessing of your elders and you will be blessed. This is our Kho-Kho team under 17 boys of Kavatara. Well done children. A big round of applause for all these children. Come on parents.
In International English Olympiad, we have gold medalists. In 6th standard, we have Ayushi Verma. From 7th standard, we have Anshuman Chaudhary. From 8th standard, we have Chahat Patidar.
Come up quickly, Ayushi, Anshuman and Chahat. Well done children, and we are proud to have you with us. Keep doing well, keep performing good.
Next, we have National Science Olympiad gold medalist. From 10th standard, Mayank Agrawal. From 3rd standard, Mahi Nandwal. From 6th standard, we have Brinda Sharma. From 7th standard, Rahika Dhongre. From 8th standard, we have Siddesh Jaiswal. And from 9th standard, we have Abhishek Yadav.
All these children have won the gold medals and they are the gold medalists of Kavatara family. Wonderful children. A big round of applause for all these gold medalists.
Now we have the students of International Mathematics Olympiad who won gold medals. From 3rd standard we have Nirvan Kumar. From 5th standard we have Ansh Shajet. From 6th standard we have Vrinda Sharma. From 7th standard we have Rishi Jain. From 9th standard we have Abhishek Yadav. From 10th standard we have Mayank Agrawal, and from 11th standard we have Muskan Chajid.
Again, these are also the gold medalists of Kavatara. Well done, children. We are proud to have you all with us. Come on, parents, a louder one for them too. Keep clapping and motivate them. We expect many more medals for you people in future from you. Well done, children. Keep preparing and keep winning.
Now we have National Computer Olympiad gold medalists. From 7th standard we have Janvi Khandekar, and from 11th standard we have Amol Agrawal.
Janvi and Amol, wonderful. We are proud to have you with us. Well done, children. Keep preparing and keep doing good in your life.
Our students also got prize in Nimar Sahodaya Hindi debate competition. We have Astha Sharma who won first prize from 10th class, and Pratik Surana from 7th standard who won second prize.
These are our debaters who have won prizes in debate competition. Well done, children. I would request our guest to please do the honors. And here are the certificates and the trophy. Well done, Astha. Make us proud in future too.
In English debate, we have Miss Pragya Agrawal who won the first prize, and Master Dipesh Patida who also won the first prize.
In inter-school debate competition, well done Pragya and Dipesh. Be the good debaters and keep winning.
In maths quiz competition, our junior group won the second position, and we have Akshat Patidar from 7th standard and Siddesh Jaiswal from 8th standard.
Well done Akshat and Siddesh. We would request our chairpersons to please do the honors by giving away the certificates to the children.
We have the students who left the school but their glory still remembered. We have Miss Anjali Limanpure who cleared AIPMT and joined Mahatma Gandhi Medical College Indore. Please give a huge round of applause.
Mr. and Mrs. Limanpure, you are also invited. Anjali Limanpure with Mr. and Mrs. Limanpure, please come up on the stage. Sir and ma'am, we are honored to have you with us. Anjali have made us proud. Well done, Anjali. Keep clapping, parents. These are the pass out bus then. They have made Kavatara family really, really proud. Anjali have cleared AIPMT and she has taken admission in Mahatma Gandhi Medical College, Indore.
Now we have the students who cleared IIT and they are IITians. We have
Thank you so much, sir and ma'am. Next we have Amritesh Patidar, who has again cleared IIT. Mr. and Mrs. Patidar, please come up. We are honored to have you with us, sir and ma'am. Amritesh Patidar with his parents, please come up quickly. He has cracked IIT in very first attempt, so he deserves a louder one. Come on, parents. Amritesh have made us really, really proud, sir and ma'am. Thank you so much, sir and ma'am. Next we have Ashutosh Patidar, who is again an IITian. He is pursuing IIT and he has cracked IIT. Mr. and Mrs. Patidar, you are also invited. Please, sir, come up on the stage. We are honored to have you with us, sir and ma'am. Well done, Ashutosh. We all are proud of you. Kavatara family is proud of you.
Next again we have Lalit Mandloi.
Well done, Ashutosh. Thank you so much, sir and ma'am. Next we have Lalit Mandloi, who have again cracked IIT. Mr. and Mrs. Mandloi, please come up. We are honored to have you with us. Mr. and Mrs. Mandloi, please come up on the stage. Lalit Mandloi with Mr. and Mrs. Mandloi. Well done, Lalit. We all are proud of you. Kavatara family is proud of you. Keep doing good in your life and make it big one day. And all these are the shining stars of Kavatara family who have made us really, really proud. Thank you so much, sir. Next we have Deepali Verma, who has again cracked IIT. Mr. and Mrs. Verma with Deepali Verma, please come up on the stage. We are honored to have you with us, sir and ma'am. Mr. and Mrs. Verma, Deepali Verma, who has cracked IIT. Next we have Ayushi Jain, who have cleared CPT and is now preparing for the final exam for CA. Mr. and Mrs. Jain, please come up. We are honored to have you with us, sir and ma'am. Ayushi, please come up with your parents. Ayushi Jain with Mr. and Mrs. Jain. Our school participated in 7th Open International Karate Do Championship 2015 that was held at Nepal. Our children went to Nepal to represent our school and our region at international level. And here we have our team, Akhilesh Jamre, Ravi Verma from 6th standard, Gajen Patel from 7th standard, Neeraj Patidar from 8th standard, Navdeep Patel from 8th standard, Sarthak Verma from 8th standard, and Ishika Patidar from 9th standard.